If you could do this one thing right and live your life, the thing you desire will manifest easily for you. Manifesting is an easy and effortless activity. You have been manifesting everything in your life since the day you were born. Yes, you heard me right. You have been manifesting everything since the day you were born, the good, bad, and ugly. All those experiences of yours were manifested by you unconsciously. The things you watched, the beliefs you held, and the thoughts you chose all manifested reality for you. We all grew up in an environment that was unique. Our parents held different belief systems that got passed on to us. We also met some people who had major impacts on our lives in both good and bad ways. Now that you are aware of manifesting, you think it is some woo-woo stuff that is hard to use. But trust me, it is not. The thing that changed is that earlier you were manifesting unconsciously, and now you are doing it consciously. Consciously doing things requires effort and patience. Remember the time when you cooked food for the first time. How was it? Was it a simple task, or did you have to be careful about the quantities of food and spices you used? You stopped in between and watched the video, read the recipe, asked someone about it, and then you proceeded. Now that you have been cooking for a long time, the activity has become effortless for you. You listen to songs while cooking, you multitask while cooking, and you watch videos while cooking. Cooking will be second nature to you now that the process has been imprinted on your subconscious mind. In a similar fashion, changing your assumptions will take some time. When you don't have enough money for rent, saying affirmations like "I am a millionaire" would take some conscious efforts to impress the subconscious mind. It is because the conscious mind is a mind of logic and will find ways to accept or reject those ideas based on the present circumstances. But the subconscious mind is not concerned with the present facts. Whatever gets imprinted on it gets manifested. That's why Neville Goddard says, by desiring to be other than what you are, you can create an ideal of the person you want to be and assume that you are already that person. If this assumption is persisted in until it becomes your dominant feeling, the attainment of your ideal is inevitable. Yes, the attainment of your ideal is inevitable when it becomes your dominant assumption. Now some people will ask, but bro, how would I know that it has become a dominant assumption? When you don't seek an answer to this question, you know that it has become your dominant assumption. You know it when you stop thinking that you have to do it X number of times. You know it when your thoughts start coming from the ideal of the person you want to become. You know it when you get your manifestation. Before that, asking me or another person how many times you have to do it is just you wasting your time. Things change for yourself in the background. Every time you affirm or when you visualize, you are changing your self-concepts, which are changing the reality you are experiencing. Now let me tell you what you clicked this video for. Many of you know this, but I don't know why you don't live by it. To manifest things easily in your life, you must perform an imaginary act every day. Yes, I know that you know it. But wait for the juicy part. You must perform an act in your imagination that shows you that your wish has already been fulfilled. Your affirmations should be from the point of view of having that thing or person. When manifesting money, you don't have to affirm in the fashion that, I want to earn X amount of dollars, God give me X amount of dollars. Instead, you must affirm in this manner that, I effortlessly earn X amount of dollars, and I receive X amount of dollars. I am wealthy enough to buy anything that money can buy. Earning money is an art, and I am the artist. I have so much money that now I don't know the difference between money and water. Once water reigned over me, now money reigns over me. Yes, your thinking should move in the direction that seems fun to you. Those statements didn't imply that you wanted money, or that money was hard to get. You, too, do this, but in the opposite direction. You are always concerned with how little you have and how much the other person has. You're always worried about what will happen if the money stops coming in, and that, my friend, manifests in your reality. So, do you understand what it means to live to the end? Doing this daily shapes your reality, which matches what you are saying. This has happened to me and many others. You can also do it without any physical effort by just using your imagination in the appropriate manner. Now that we are discussing the physical effort, the juicy part comes in. If you follow what I am saying right now, nothing will stop you from manifesting your ideal. I'd like to apologize ahead of time for what I'm about to say. Also, if you wish, you can leave this video now. Okay, I am starting now. I have seen many individuals whose minds have been corrupted by the idea of physical effort. They gathered information from here and there and followed some influencers who claimed that no physical effort was required. Because of their lazy mind, they misinterpreted this idea. Some individuals started acting dumb because of it. They yell at people and say that Neville told us that no physical effort is required. Wait, baby, wait. Neville told you that imagining your state of wish fulfillment never requires any physical effort. Do you require any physical effort when imagining? Do you require any physical effort when imagining something? No, right. It does not work like I have to raise my elbow, and only then I can imagine. Anyone can do it without any effort. Are you clear about it? Now, let's come to the action part. Well, you sitting on the couch and waiting for your manifestation every day is only creating doubts for you. As before this, you were a man of action. You showed up daily for life. Now you are not living your life. Sitting in one spot scrolling your phone endlessly is not what anyone meant by the no physical effort policy. To manifest your desires, you don't have to become like a caged animal. You are trapping yourself in a room, and your smartphone is not taking you anywhere. Instead, you must interact with life. And by interact, I mean participate in this world. Because opportunity is always present, you simply changed your mindset by affirming and visualizing that it is now available to you. You have to be a person that is involved with this world in some way. And no, it will not hinder your manifestation but will make it effortless for you to manifest. You'll know when you've done it. You are sent in this human body to experience life. I am not talking about acting as if. You don't have to act as if you are extremely rich by spending enormous money. You just have to have this inner feeling that you are wealthy. In one way or another, when you interact with this world, opportunities will come to you, and like a Cupid shooting a golden arrow, money will fall madly in love with you. I am not telling you to go and seek out opportunity, look for jobs, or something like that. All I am saying is just do something every day, something you like, some activity, or just go outside and walk. Dedicate your life to a cause, help an NGO, whatever you like. Also, the key point here is to live your life in the now. Instead of sitting and thinking about what happened in the past or what will happen in the future, just solve the problems that you face in the present moment. Something's broken, go fix it. Plants need water, go water them. Mom will be late from work, go and cook a meal. Your friend requires your help, go help them. Your uncle wants to meet you, go spend some time with him. You never know that these events might be a bridge of incidents that might lead to your physical manifestation. Now, are you getting what I am saying? Just do what feels right in that particular moment. To conclude, in order to manifest easily and effortlessly, you have to perform your imagined acts every day and live your life, solve the problems that can be solved with physical actions, indulge in life, and experience it. This is the reason why things manifested quickly and faster when you heard about the law for the first time and you thought it was beginner's luck. No, my friend, it was not like that. Some of you now are not doing anything with your physical body. This body was given to you for some reason and you are not utilizing it. Taking no physical action does not mean scrolling your smartphone mindlessly and trapping yourself in a room. It does not even imply acting as if you have it. It means fully immersing yourself in the life process, giving your all to whatever you are doing, and feeling satisfied within that you have achieved what you wanted in your imagination. Now, go live this wonderful day. My baby, you can have whatever you want. You can be whoever you want. With a smile, live your day. Smile is a free makeup option that even men can use. So, I hope you found something wonderful in this video. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe. I will meet you with another golden nugget. Happy manifesting.